Hi guys, Christopher Izimoha here. Today I'll be showing you how to manually scan sellers from a search result. This is a search result. We search this item in order to get this result, and you can see the results are fantastic. This result has big and small sellers. Big and small sellers in the sense that some of the sellers has over 10,000 active listings. How do you know a seller has over 10,000 active listings? Okay, you just look at them, you look at the feedback. For example, this seller has 133,179 feedbacks. So most likely this seller has over 10,000 active listings. So in that case, our box scanner subscription, depending on what scanner subscription you have with Tick Analytics, you won't be able to scan the seller. It's going to give you an error. So the solution is to manually scan the seller, and we have a criteria. This is our criteria. We need to manually scan seller to see their items they've sold within the last 14 days and items that sold minimum 3 times. Okay, minimum 3 times and within the last 14 days. Okay, and we want a profit of minimum 50p. Okay, so now let's check the seller out. Let's click here and see how many active items this seller has. Okay, good. Like I said, this seller has 45,094 active listings. So in that case, our box scanner will not work because our subscription, our plan here, we can only do sellers within 10,000 active listings. So now we need to manually scan the seller. The first thing to do is, this is the seller ID. Our first criteria is what? 14 days. Okay, so we change here to 14 days and we search. Zik will now bring out the last 14 days sales of the seller for us. This is it. Okay, now we have 14 days sales. What is our next criteria? Our criteria number 2 is we want item that has sold 3 times. Okay, 3 times. So now this is 12, 13, which is very good. So let's go down. So this is 5. We need to go to the next page because we're looking for 3. This is 3. Let's go to the next page. Good. So we want 3 upwards. Good. So this is 3. Okay, so we can start from this green button. You can start from here because most times don't just believe on this red button. Sometimes this red button means it is on Amazon. Why this means it's not on Amazon, but trust me, most times it is on Amazon. So let's have a look and see. You can always search and see to be sure. Okay, here it says it's not found. Okay, what you can do, you can go on eBay, copy the ID. Okay, then you go to Amazon, enter. You can see it is on Amazon. Okay, and it's even on Prime. Okay, so don't just believe on the red and green button. Okay, you can copy that, go back to Zik, enter it here and reload. Okay, it says -2, -32 profit. We don't want this, so cancel and let's move to the next one. What is the next one? The next one is this. You click on it. Okay, it says out of stock. Okay, to be sure it is out of stock, let's click here and make sure it is out of stock. This is not out of stock. All right, it is not out of stock. So if I were you, I will copy this as a number and save it on the notepad because that item is a good item. All right, so we'll save here. Okay, we'll use that later. So now let's continue our search. You can now cancel this. You've done that, so we've done this. So let's move to the next one. You can do that. Let's move to the next one by one. You have to do them individually until the end. Okay, so this is saying there's no profit. Okay, let's see, is it saying the truth or not? Okay, you know, sometimes we don't have to trust these computers. Okay, so come here, you go on Amazon. Yeah, make sure you do all departments so as to get the right one. You click it. Okay, only 4 left. Okay, so it is on Amazon then. It is on Amazon but not eligible for Prime. Okay, that is fine, that is understandable. Okay, that is understandable. So let's go to the next one. This one, click on it. This is £8.08 profit. That's very good, but it says out of stock. Is it really out of stock or not? Is it out of stock? It's not out of stock. 74. It's not out of stock. It's not out of stock because it's 74. Okay, that's fine. You can leave that, cancel that, then move to the next one, which is this green one. Click on it. Okay, it says minus £2 profit. You don't want that, so you cancel that. We'll go to the next one. The next one is this. Okay, it says out of stock. Is it really out of stock? This is not out of stock. Okay, $22.99. Why is it saying out of stock? Okay, because the price on eBay is too much. That's why it's saying out of stock. Okay, fair enough. Let's look at this one. Let's click on this. Okay, this one, it says minus 5.60p. Okay, and it's saying out of stock. Let's see, is it out of stock? It's not out of stock, but it's 52. And how much is it sold on eBay? 51. Okay, so it's saying out of stock. Okay, let's leave that. Let's go to the next one. What is the next one? This one. Click on that. Okay, estimated profit 1.35. Very good, but it's saying out of stock. Is it out of stock? Click on it to see if it's out of stock. It is not out of stock. Okay, it's just sold more on eBay. It's not out of stock, so you add that. Okay, you go check, go deep, you click on this. Okay, it says minus 4, out of stock. Is it out of stock? No, it's not out of stock. Okay, so you save that. So this is how you do. You check them one by one until you finish. Then when you finish, you go to the next big seller. Who is the next big seller? 93,010 feedback. You go to the next seller, go to the next big seller. Okay, you go to them one by one. Big seller, remember, seller over 10,000 active listings. Seller over 10,000 active listings. That's what we want. And we want a minimum profit about 50p. We don't need to worry about this. Okay, but we want minimum sales, minimum of 3 times sales. Okay, within the last 14 days. Okay, so this is what we want. Okay, minimum of 3 sales, within the last 14 days. Okay, sellers over 10,000 active listings, you manually scan them. Okay, this is our criteria. You manually scan them one by one. That's how you get manually, you dig deep to get fresh items. Most sellers don't do this, but if you do this, then you are ahead of them. All right, thank you very much.